welcome to the Crown Lounge. So in today's episode, I was thinking, this is fair season, carnival season. You know, the time you have your county fair, right? It's getting cooler outside. So I wanted to make some drinks that are inspired by the fair. Things that you would get at the fair, right? So one of the first drinks we're going to make is a cotton candy daiquiri. All right. So first we're going to take some cotton candy. I got this off of Amazon. Wherever you can get cotton candy, maybe a grocery store or whatever. This is a cherry vanilla. I want a little bit of both. How about that? We're going to put a dollop into our glass. Right? Just a little bit of both. Next, we're going to take a shaker with ice. Ice is already added. And we're going to do 2 ounces of a light rum. Because remember, this is a daiquiri, right? Next, we're going to squeeze a whole lime. And I like these shaker cups because you twist them on, right? So you don't really get leakage when you're shaking. Give it a good shake. Next, we're going to strain it over the cotton candy. And then it will dissolve. Last, we're going to top it with champagne. Any champagne to do. This is just a smaller bottle of the Martini Rossi. It's just something, it's small, so you don't waste it. But if you do this for a bunch of people, then you use your favorite champagne, a bigger bottle, and make it in multiple ones, right? I just didn't want to waste champagne because I'm not a champagne drinking guy like that. It's supposed to be a twist off, right? There we go. So now just top it all the way off. And enjoy. Let's see. Oh, that is really good. This won't be a drink for me because it's too sweet, but it's a very good drink to entertain guests with. Here you have it, a cotton candy daiquiri. Thank you.